Hi students, welcome to Math4U. Today we are going to discuss about the associative properties of rational numbers. So in the last session we have seen the commutative as well as the closure properties of rational numbers. So let us see the associative properties of rational numbers. So here we are going to take three rational numbers, that is a by b, c by d and e by f. Okay, these three rational numbers, suppose these are rational numbers. And now we are going to check whether associative property is satisfied by the addition. So by the addition of three numbers, we are going to check it. Okay. So the three numbers, what I'm going to take is 2 by 3, 5 by 7, and 1 by 6. So if addition is associative for rational numbers, what is the condition? Yes, you have learned in other numbers. So negative 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7 plus 1 by 6 should be equal to negative 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7 plus 1 by 6, right? So let us see whether this is satisfied. Okay, so now first we are going to start with the LHS. This is the LHS and this is the RHS of this. And LHS is equal to negative 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7 plus 1 by 6. I'm going to solve this. So you know already how to solve the rational numbers, right? So let us go ahead. First we are solving whatever inside the bracket. So negative 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7, we have the 3 and 7 in the denominator, right? So we have 21 as the LCM and the numerator will be negative 14 plus 15, right? Then plus 1 by 6. So now let us see how to solve this. So 1 by 21 you will get plus 1 by 6. That will be equal to the LCM again is 42 and the numerator will be 2 plus 7. And this will be equal to 3 by 14. So what is the LHS we got? 3 by 14. So let us go ahead with the RHS of this. And the RHS will be negative 2 by 3 negative 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7 plus 1 by 6 inside the bracket. Okay, so let us do this. First we are going to do with whatever inside the bracket. So this will be like, you will get the LCM as 42 and the numerator will be 30 plus 7. So this will be equal to negative 2 by 3. We are going to solve whatever inside the bracket, that is 37 by 42. So what will be the answer for this? You will get, after solving this, negative 28 plus 37. What is the LCM we got? That is 42. Very good. That is equal to 3 by 14. So what is the LHS and RHS we got? Both 3 by 14. So what can we conclude from this? So from this we can conclude that the addition is associative for rational numbers. Yes. So let us see one more example based on this. So here I am taking again three numbers. Okay, let us see what all numbers we can take. I'm taking here negative 2 by 3, 3 by 5 and negative 5 by 6. So as we have seen before, let us take this and write down negative 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus again negative 5 by 6 should be equal to negative 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus negative 5 by 6 if addition is associative for irrational numbers, right? So this is the LHS over here and this is the RHS. Okay, I'm not going to solve this in detail since you know how to do this. Okay, so let us see how can we do the LHS. So LHS is equal to negative 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus negative 5 by 6. Okay, so how to solve this? So inside the bracket we have negative 2 by 3 and 3 by 5 and the denominators are 3 and 5. So LCM is 15, right? And the numerator will be negative 10 plus 9 and we have negative 5 by 6 as well. So you can see here we have to take the LCM of 15 and 6 as well for the next step. So that is 30, and you will get the numerator after solving all these as negative 2, negative 25. That is equal to negative 27 by 30, and the final answer you will get it as negative 9 by 10. So this is the answer you got. So let us see for RHS as well. So RHS is equal to negative 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus negative 5 by 6. So this is equal to whatever inside the bracket we are solving first, right? Yes. So 5 and 6 are the denominators, and we got the LCM as 30. Next, inside the bracket, it will be 18 plus negative 25 as a numerator. So when we solve this, you can see 3 and 30 as a denominator. Here again, we will get 30 as the LCM, and you will get negative 20, negative 7 as a numerator. When we solve this, you will get again 9 by 10 as a answer. So you can see here from both the cases we got the LHS is equal to RHS. So what can we conclude from this? Therefore, we can conclude that addition is associative for rational numbers, right? Yes, very good. Let us move ahead with the subtraction. So subtraction, let us see whether it is associative or not. So in this case, same we have done. We can take three numbers, and wherever we have done the addition operation, we are doing here the subtraction. Okay. So I'm taking three numbers, negative 2 by 3, negative 4 by 5, and negative 1 by 2. And let us see whether this is satisfying or not. Okay. So first, what we have to do, yes, if it is satisfying, we have to get negative 2 by 3 minus negative 4 by 5. Okay, then yes, minus 1 by 2. That is also negative 1 by 2. Okay, and let us see how this is. Okay, yeah. So here, this is positive. Yeah. So half we have to do. This should be equal to what? Yes, this should be equal to negative 2 by 3, then minus negative 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Okay, if this LHS is equal to RHS, then only we can say that the subtraction is associative for rational numbers. So let us see whether this is satisfying or not. So I'm taking here the LHS first. So LHS is negative 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5 and then minus 1 by 2, right? Yes. So let us go ahead. So what is the first you have to see what is the LCM of these two. Okay. So 3 and 5 inside the bracket you can see here, and the LCM is 15. Okay, and the numerator will be negative 10 plus 12, and we have 1 by 2 over here, right? So how to go ahead? Yes, you know very well the half here, and you have the 15 on the denominator and 2 on the denominator, right? So 4 minus 15 you will get how? Because we are taking these two LCM as 30. Is it clear? So that is equal to negative 11 by 30. So by looking at the denominator itself, you have to understand what is the LCM, and accordingly you have to do with the numerator. Okay, and we are doing with the RHS now. So negative 2 by 3 minus, we have negative 4 by 5, negative 1 by 2 inside the bracket. So let us see how to solve this. As you know, Negative 2 by 3 we are writing as such first time, and then we are going to do with the denominator of the 5 and 2, that is the denominator of the numbers inside the bracket. So 5 and 2 we have, and the LCM is 10 we know, and the numerator will be, what will be the numerator if we are taking like this? Yes, negative 8 and negative 5, right? And now we have 3 and 10 as the denominator. So what will be the LCM of this is 30. Then what will come as the numerator? Numerator will be negative 20 plus 39. So you will get the answer as positive 19 by 30. So is the two answers the same what we got as the LHS and RHS? No. So we can say that this is not. That means we can conclude that subtraction is not associative. Subtraction is not associative for rational numbers, right? Yes, very good. So now let us see for multiplication whether it is satisfying or not. Okay, so multiplication, when coming to multiplication, the same procedure, we are taking three numbers, three rational numbers, right? And checking whether the LHS and RHS are equal. So let us take three numbers, negative 7 by 3, then 5 by 4 and 2 by 9. Okay, and what we have to check, we have to get negative 7 by 3 multiplied with 5 by 4 inside the bracket, and that should be multiplied by 2 by 9, that is equal to negative 7 by 3 multiplied with inside the bracket 5 by 4 multiplied with 2 by 9. So this is the condition what we have to achieve if multiplication is associative for rational numbers. Okay, so let us see whether this is getting or not. Okay, so now we are going ahead with the example. LHS, what is the LHS over here? Yes, negative 7 by 3 multiplied with 5 by 4 multiplied with 2 by 9. So this is the left hand side. Multiplication, you know, that is very easy. So the numerator inside the bracket will be negative 35 and denominator will be 12. That is multiplied with 2 by 9. And you will get the final answer as negative 35 by 54, as we cancel these two and we get 6 here. Yeah. So the answer what you got is negative 35 by 54. Let us do for the RHS. Okay, RHS is, we have to take a negative 7 by 3 multiply with inside the bracket 5 by 4 multiplied with 2 by 9. Okay, so what we have to get? Negative 7 by 3, and inside the bracket what you will get? Yes, inside the bracket you will get 10 by 4 nines are 36. Yes. Now you can multiply the numerator and the denominator. Negative 70 by 108. When you cancel it, you will get negative 35 by 54. So you got the RHS and LHS equal. So here LHS is equal to the RHS. Okay, so from this we can say that multiplication is associative for RHS. So let us see with one more example. Okay, the second example, I'm going to take three numbers. Those numbers which I'm going to take are, let us see how can we do it with three numbers. Negative 2 by 3, 3 by 5 and negative 5 by 6 are the three numbers. So what should be the LHS? So LHS should be negative 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5. Sorry, here it is multiplication, right? Yeah. So multiplied with these two. Then again it should be multiplied with what? Yes, negative 5 by 6. Okay, so let us see whether this is satisfied. So this is inside the you can see inside the bracket the numerator and the denominator here. You can cancel these two, right? And you will get negative 2 by 5 multiplied with negative 5 by 6. Again, you can cancel here, and here you will get 3. So negative into negative, that is positive, and you will get 1 by 3 as the answer, right? So let us see for RHS as well. So how can we do the RHS? RHS you can do with negative 2 by 3 multiplied with 3 by 5 inside the bracket multiplied with negative 5 by 6. So what will be the answer after doing the bracket inside the bracket? You can see these two can be cancelled. So negative 2 by 3 multiplied with, and you can cancel these two and you can write it as 2, right? So inside the bracket, it will be negative 1 by 2. And here also you can cancel these two. And what is the answer you are getting? Yes, it is 1 by 3. So here also you can conclude that LHS is equal to RHS. So what will be our conclusion after doing the two examples? Therefore, we can say that multiplication, yes, is associative for rational numbers, right? Yes, for rational numbers. Very good. So now we are moving ahead with the division. Okay, so division also we can see the same procedure we can do. Okay, with three numbers, and let us see when we divide those according to this condition whether we are getting the LHS and RHS same. So for example, I'm taking three numbers as 1 by 2, negative 1 by 3 and 2 by 5. Okay, so let us see whether this is satisfying or not. So LHS should be like, what we are taking is 1 by 2 divided by negative 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5. Okay, and what is the condition? 1 by 2 divided by negative 1 by 3 inside the bracket divided by 2 by 5 if equal to 1 by 2 divided by inside the bracket negative 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5. If this is equal, then only we can say division satisfies. Yes, division is associative for rational numbers. So let us see the LHS now. 1 by 2, when we do the division, you know, you take the reciprocal of the second number, that is negative 3 by 1, then divided with 2 by 5. So how can we do this? You can see inside the bracket, that is negative 3 by 2, you will get divided with 5 by 2. Again, we are applying here the reciprocal and multiplying with the first number, right? So it will be multiplying with 2 by, yes, this is 2 by 5, right? Yes, 2 by 5. So this part will come as again what, 5 by 2, right? Yes, so you will get the answer as negative 15 by 4. So let us see whether we are getting the same for the RHS as well. So RHS will be like, what should be? Yes, it is given here. RHS is this one, right? 1 by 2 divided with negative 1 by 3 divided with 2 by 5 inside the bracket. And now we are going to do the solution for this. So 1 by 2 divided with whatever inside the bracket. How we will divide? Is taking the reciprocal of the second number and dividing it with the first. So that is equal to 1 by 2 divided by, yes, negative 5 by 6. Very good. So now how to proceed with? Again doing with the same procedure, that is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied with 6 by negative 5. That is negative 6 by 5 only. So you can cancel these two and you will get the answer as, what will be the answer? Is negative 3 by 5. Is this two equal? No. We can conclude here LHS is not equal to RHS, right? LHS is not equal to RHS, and therefore we can say that division is not associative. Associative for rational numbers, right? So what can we conclude from seeing this associative property of rational numbers? Yes, addition and multiplication are only associative for rational numbers, and here the subtraction and division are not. I hope all these are very clear to you. Thank you.